Good morning. Fish bomb. Yo. Ayos na.
Gusto mo mas malaki? Gusto mo pa mas yan yung ginamit ito na... Hindi, meron pa. Tama na yan. Okay. Pa ng patikatan ng pagkilo. Dito na lang.
Mula wala na. Mula nakakita paano kinahanap ka dito. Lalo na kung limited na
yung plan po, kamaya po abigay.
Boss Armando.
Shout out. Lahat ng angler, thank you sa mga pumunta.
Ayan, may pahabol pa. Baka may kailangan pa.
Baka may kailangan kayo dito.
Dito lang, kay Boss Armando. Ang ligat, pare.
Marami pa rin. Butitan nito mamaya magka...
Para sa paligtalan natin, diretso na lang.
Try. Sorry ako din.
Tulong sa kalikasan.
Ito ba lahat? So ano natin to para tayo ay makalakot na at masubukan yung ating mga setup. So mabilis lang tayo, although na naman natin ito sa group. So babasahin ko na lang yung ating mechanic. So sa angling, all angler participant must check in and check out at the tournament to avoid disqualification. So yung ano po natin, yung check out natin is 4:30. Check-in natin is 5:30 ng hapon. Po. Any catches that are not on shore after the given time shall not qualify as an entry for the tournament. Endangered species such as shark, rays, and others in the endangered list are not allowed and must be promptly released back into the water. Micro-jigging is not allowed in the tournament. Only 150 grams are allowed. Any fish catch on micro-jigging does not qualify as an entry. Po ng ating mahuhuli, maliit man yan ng malaki, iyan na po natin yan dito. And yung mga jersey po natin, lahat po ay kailangan is meron. And then yung mga hindi nag-fit po, meron na po bang note ang team na merong exemption. Equipment. Okay, power-driven rails, including motorized, hydraulic, or electric variants, are strictly prohibited to maintain fairness among anglers participants. Alright, so sabiki fishing is not allowed during the tournament. Tournament marshal will inspect boats, including coolers, fish bags, before departure to ensure compliance with the regulations. I-check po yung ating mga bangka. So, kailangan po yun, ma-check muna ng ating MDR para po sa fairness po ng ating sa compliance po. And handline is for fishing and fishing net is not allowed. Drone fishing is not allowed. Fish finder are allowed during the tournament. Anglers participant must independently hook, fight and land or boat fish without any assistance from co-anglers except in a situation endangering his safety where assistance may be sought.
Siyempre, sa mga kalahok na handang ipakita ang kanilang husay, palakpakan po natin sila. Ngayon po, simulan na natin ang opisyal na programa ng First Jigging Competition National po.